Social media content creation is effort-intensive. Here's how Narrato's AI social media post generator makes it a breeze. Narrato's AI social media post generator can be accessed on the AI Content Assistant page or on the Content Task page under the AI Writer tab on the left. You will find all the social media AI templates listed here. Let's take a look at how you can create social media posts from URLs, notes or themes. First, choose the AI template you need. You will find separate AI templates for social media post with link, notes, and theme. Open the template and pick the social media channel for which you are creating content. Add your input URL, notes, or target theme. Fill in other details like tone and length, and click Generate. Your AI-generated social post based on your inputs will be ready in seconds, complete with emojis and hashtags. You can even publish or schedule your posts to Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn directly from Narrato. Narrato also lets you generate holiday posts with AI. Open the holiday or special day social media template. Pick the month. And from the holiday calendar in the drop-down, pick your holiday or special occasion. Then, add some details about your product or business, and any special offers you're running, and click Generate. Your AI-generated holiday post is ready. Generating social media poll and meme ideas is also super easy with Narrato. Open the social media poll template or the memes template. Add a theme or keyword around which you want ideas, pick a tone, and generate. You will get a bunch of meme ideas with captions instantly. You can do the same for social media polls too. Did you know you can also generate social posts from images on Narrato? Just open the social media post from image template and upload your image as a file or add an image URL. And here's your AI-generated social media post from image. Another revolutionary social media management tool on Narrato is the AI Content Genie. Genie is an AI autopilot that gives you fresh social media posts every week based on just a one-time input of your website URL and a few themes. To set up a Genie project, go to the AI Content Genie tab on the main menu. On the pop-up form that appears, enter the website or blog URL. And add a few themes or keywords you want to target. Then, click on Get Started for the AI to work its magic. It may take up to a minute for Genie to generate all the social media posts and blog ideas from your inputs. All the auto-generated posts are easy to edit. Just click on the Edit button, and edit the text or change the recommended image if you need to. You can even publish or schedule content to any social media channel directly from Content Genie. Click on the Publish button, and publish instantly or schedule with ease. Narrato's AI social media content creation tools are a game changer. Try them out today.